What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. I'm back with another video. I forgot to do an intro for this one, so you're just gonna get a voiceover. Okay, girl? So anywho, I am coming to you with another twisted updo. I told y'all these are very popular in my salon, especially for those that work out. So this was my first time doing a updo on my client. She usually just get it pressed, or she usually just come and get maintenance and go get like braids or what have you. But today I am doing a twisted updo, and I'm doing the small, big kind of updo. I think for this style, she kind of gave me an idea of what she wanted, so I kind of winged it a little bit. So we're doing, like I said, a twisted updo. And the product that I'm using for this style is the Influence Honey Almond Styling Foam. Now, I don't sell this anymore because I do have my own product line now, which is iStyles Hair Care, and I have a foam myself. So, but if I ever run out of my foam, I always use Influence styling foam, because in my salon I only use 2 product lines. I don't use a whole bunch of product lines, because if something happens with the client hair, I can kind of narrow it down with what I've used on their hair. So yeah, just giving you that little tip. Yeah, I only use, I don't know if that's a tip, but yeah, that's what I use. But anyway, all right folks, so enjoy the video. All right, so I'm done with the sides and back. Now we're going to the front. Now for the front, usually my clients get individual 2-strand twists, but for her, she wanted to do the Define Your Curls, which is AKA a wash and go. Now, the tip I have for this, when you're doing a wash and go, it's not really a wash and go unless you have that hair type. If you have a more curly, coily, kinky hair type, you're gonna have to do something to it, which you will see here. Now, to make your curls pop, you want to take individual sections, little sections like you see I'm doing, and twirl it around your finger twice, and that will make your curls more defined. Instead of just putting water on it, putting conditioner on it, kind of running your hands through it and going. That's you're gonna have a big frizzy mess and your curls are not gonna be defined. You could do the twirl way, or you could do the shingle way. I will make a video on the 2 different types of ways you can define your curls. But yeah, so she just wanted the define your curls at the top. So yeah, and also the product I'm using again is the Influence Styling Foam and the iStyles iPop Curls Styling Gel, which is again off my line. But yes, so all right, girl, continue watching. All right, so after pinning her up and defining her curls, I just did a tuck and pin for her ends, and I go back and put foam on the sides and the back and her edges just to lay everything down to make everything look nice and neat. And then after that, I would go in with some shine spray to have a more glossier look. And then I go and fluff her curls just to break that gel cast, because I do put gel on the curls just to fluff it out. I mean, for the curls to last longer, I put a little gel on each section and then just fluff it out to break that gel cast. And yeah, we have a finished product. So my camera is about to die, so I didn't get any final pictures, but this is what it looks like in the back. And if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video, thumbs up, comment. If you're in the metro area and would like an appointment, the link is in the description below. And yeah, you guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.